Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure color tokens in Figma for consistent brand UX, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Figma project and navigate to the design file where you want to configure color tokens. Identify the brand colors you want to use for your design. Create a new page in your Figma file specifically for color tokens. Label this page clearly as color tokens for easy reference. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and create a rectangle for each brand color. Fill each rectangle with the corresponding brand color. Once the rectangles are created, group them by selecting all the shapes and using the Command or Ctrl+G shortcut. Now, use the right sidebar to name each color token appropriately. Use clear, descriptive names that reflect the color's intended use, such as primary color, secondary color, or accent color. Next, with one of the rectangles selected, go to the right sidebar and locate the Styles section. Click on the plus icon next to Color Styles to create a new style. In the window that appears, give your color style the same name as the token. Repeat this process for each color rectangle you created. For better organization, consider creating a naming convention for your color styles, following a structured format. Now that your color tokens are set up, you can apply them throughout your designs. Select any element in your design that requires color input. In the right sidebar, navigate to the Fill section and click on the color square. From the drop-down menu, locate the Styles tab to see the color styles you previously created. Select the appropriate color token from the list. To ensure consistency, apply these tokens to all similar elements throughout your project. If you need to make changes, simply adjust the color in the color style, and it will automatically update wherever the token is applied. Test your token usage across different screens to ensure visual consistency. Finally, refine your color choices based on user feedback and design requirements. This approach will ensure a consistent brand experience across your design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.